Yo, anybody in the car?
I'm about to jump out and scout it and see what's up.
Please do.
Because we gotta get out anyway. Leaving Shenantonate. No one's in there. Come around. That's the Mopan down there. Amazing Mopan. We're leaving Shenantonate, heading back to civilization as we know it. Leaving a civilization that got deleted. Immersing ourselves into the new. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Belize have several ferries like these. Yeah. When you come visit, please stop and shop and purchase from the stall vendors. And that leads to Shenantonate, the Maya ruin, where in Sakot, known as Sakotash. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Help us get up to 1,000 subscribers.